Now, Jamaica Football Federation presidential candidate Raymond Anderson says that he's ready for the March elections in Hanover. The January 14 elections were postponed 2 days before its scheduled date after Beach Soccer Jamaica, through its president Patricia Garrell, were granted a 28-day injunction after the association took the legal route against their non-inclusion as an affiliate of the JFF. FIFA also had to give the green light for the election to go forward, but Anderson says that he has not heard anything directly from the international governing body, even after the JFF gave assurances that a go-ahead has been granted.
I was told that there will be information from FIFA, but I got that information from the General Secretary, not FIFA, because we asked for evidence from FIFA and none was coming.
Anderson believes that second-hand information from the JFF is not enough and he is still awaiting a response from FIFA. However, he is still prepared for the elections in March.
He told us that they have a conference call and some things FIFA asked them, and they told FIFA, well, you told FIFA the obvious that everything is according to the Constitution, and FIFA in their wisdom said if everything is according to the Constitution, go ahead. But for me, I'm still waiting to see something from FIFA, but we are ready for the election.
Following a JFF board meeting on Saturday, it was decided that the election will be on March 17.